Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is gonna be a what's in my bag video. I'm literally throwing it back to the early YouTube days when we would show each other what's in our bags, and I love these videos, so I'm going to do one today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. This is not my everyday bag, but these are my everyday essentials. I do switch bags every so often depending on where I'm going. So these are my everyday essentials, but this is the current bag that I'm using right now. And this is the Kate & Spade backpack. This is a mini backpack. It has two compartments, one in the front and one in the back. And this was from a long time ago, so I don't know if they still have this backpack, but they probably have something similar. So this front pocket is really deep, and there's only a few things in here. So the first thing I take out is my hand sanitizer. Gotta have the hand sanitizer no matter what. And I also got tissues just in case. And then the last thing in that little compartment is the My Charge portable charger. It comes with two wires. So one is for the iPhone and one I believe is for the Samsung, not sure, or like for other things. Then this also plugs into the wall, so there's no extra charger. It just plugs in and charges. And then it also has an extra USB, so you could basically charge 3 things at once on this. And the funny story with this charger is that I left my charger at home, my portable charger at home when I went to Hawaii. So I had to buy this charger, and this was like $120 at the airport. But I gotta guard this with my life now because this was so expensive that I gotta carry this around with me all the time. And this is a literal brick, but it's okay. So in this big compartment, we got a pocket right here. So in this pocket, I just have a mask just in case. And then I don't usually have this inside here, but I just transferred it from the other bag. So this is just says Aloha. This is from Hawaii. And then this just has all my stuff inside. So I have just a plastic bag in here just in case for anything. I have extra masks too. And then I have a hairbrush because my hair is always getting tangled from the wind or whatever. Oh my goodness, my hair is pretty tangled. But here's the mini wet brush. And then I got cream. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Aloe Cream. Just in case anything is ashy, I got some cream. Then I got a clip because I always need to put up my hair. I do have also a big clip, but I don't have it inside right now. So usually I have a big clip or a hair tie or whatever, but right now I have this little cute clip. Then I have lip balm. This is the Amana Oils lip balm. This is from Hawaii. From this flea market that I went to, the guy was selling his products. And this comes from like this kind of root or something. And he had like sunscreen, oils for like pain on your body, lip balm, stuff like that. So I got a lip balm from him. And then I got my allergy pills in here. And then, and then that's it so far in here. I would have my AirPods, but I don't really use my AirPods that much, or headphones in general. But this is just outside of my bag currently. And then that's everything in here. Probably add more stuff in the future, if anything. Then there is a pocket actually back here, as you can see. And also I do carry a water bottle every time I go out. I carry a water bottle with me. And I also sometimes do carry a book with me depending on where I'm going and stuff like that. But having a book with you just in case is essential. And then this zipper in the back. I have this pouch that says Live, Love, Rise, Shine. Just have some cash because my mom always tells me to carry cash and I don't carry cash, so I have to carry cash. That was really fast. And then I just have my wallet, my Gucci wallet. I just have my ID and my cards with me. And I think I have my Barnes & Noble's, yeah, my Barnes & Noble's membership in here and a little bit more cash inside the middle. So that is everything in my bag. It was a pretty quick video. I either talk really fast or it's a really quick video, but I hope you guys enjoy this small, quick video of what's in my bag. Imagine if I had more. I think I could fit so much more in this, but I don't want to like overstuff my backpack. And that was everything. Usually I have a lot of receipts, but got rid of that the other day when I tried to film this video. So that was everything that was in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.